So I've just finished doing my makeup. Will is currently sleeping. Thought I would vlog today because I haven't done a vlog in such a long time and you guys always really seem to enjoy them. We've got a pretty casual day planned today, I think, but I'm gonna be going out getting what pierced? You'll have to wait and see. I feel like I'm proper washed out on this camera. Will. I was going to start vlogging earlier on in the week, but yesterday we just spent the day with Will's family, and the night before, oh my god, we went out. I'll insert some videos here.
Pace yourself.
Yeah, I'm sorry you had to see that. It was really fun though. We went to Piccadilly Institute, which was really fun, but like really fucking weird. It was so bizarre. It was like full of old men or like businessmen on their own. But I had a really good time. I got about 3 hours sleep, and then we went to go and see an exhibition with Will's family and his mum's friends, which was really lovely. It was very interesting actually. And then we went for lunch, and then yesterday we came home, literally napped, made dinner and went back to sleep. So I thought this is probably the only thing that's going to be worthwhile watching. I've also been really obsessed with this app called Cooking Fever. I'm sure so many of you have heard of it before. I've literally been playing it whilst Will has been asleep. It's super addictive, but that shit can get so stressful. Oh my god. I play it on the train, on the bus. Waiting for someone. It's just such a good way to pass time really quickly. I'm currently on level 20, currently hopefully going on to level 21, and the best part is obviously the game is free and available to download on Android and iPhone. It's really fun. You're able to upgrade your restaurant as you earn more money. The game gets a lot harder and a lot more stressful as it goes on. If there's one thing you're going to take from this video, it's that you need Cooking Fever in your life. It would be the perfect little revision break. The customers will start to get really angry if you don't get their food to them in time. You basically need to get the food to the customers as quickly as possible. That's why buying all the new utensils and stuff really helps, because it helps to speed along the process. I'd say the best purchase I've made is like the automatic burger and hot dog cooker. A lifesaver. Make sure you let me know what level you guys are on if you download it. We can have a little competition in the comments. It's just a really fun game, and I want all of you to pause this video right now, get your ass over to the App Store and download Cooking Fever. I've left my GoFundMe for my Cooking Fever addiction in the description box. Okay, but right now my lips are dry as hell. This Kiko Sweetheart lip gloss. Thank me later. You got the goods.
Oh, I always seem to fuck it up. What is that?
What? Miso soup? Have you ever had miso soup before?
Well, I guess not.
Try it. I really like it.
Oh, that's foul. I have had miso soup before. It was good.
I don't think you have.
Kometsu.
No, you had a bowl.
No, at home. I got like that ready meal.
It had noodles in it, probably. No. Miso noodles are different, I think. Getting a coffee so I don't faint. Almond milk in it, and 2 pumps of the sugar-free vanilla and 2 pumps of sugar-free hazelnut, please.
No.
So we're in Metamorphosis, which is in the bottom of Topshop. I'm still not fully decided on what I'm gonna get, but basically I need to get my lobes redone, like that's an essential. But then I also need to get a cartilage piercing, but I'm just like really wussing out and I'm proper scared. But then also you'll get me a flapple wrap. Will said it will get me a falafel wrap if I do, but then I also think Emma would like blow her shit at me. Basically my aim is to have 3 little piercings in my cartilage, have 3 little gold rings. My eyebrows look really bad. Have 3 little gold rings.
How you feeling?
Nervous. Will, which one's do you like? Okay. Oh, I got my helix and my lobes done. I'm so glad to have my lobes back. Maybe I should buy some earrings today.
Yeah, let's do it.
For when they heal. It was okay. It was painful, but like you're having a needle rammed through essentially bone. But like it wasn't as bad as I thought. It's over really quickly. Once again, I got it done in metamorphosis for all 3 piercings and the earrings. It was 80 quid, which I think is so good. It's like when you buy the earrings, you get the piercing free. Wow, Topshop Oxford Street really killing it with the interiors. I also forgot to mention, but I wasn't actually allowed to film the piercing, so I asked Will to take some pictures. I just put on a utility jacket and Will told me I look like Billie Eilish. So we've just been shopping for Will's mum's birthday, gotten some nice bits that obviously I'm not going to show in case she watches, but I doubt she would. Everyone's looking at me. In the Skinny Dip store.
Wow.
Wow, Will, what do you think of these?
They're alright.
They're kind of cool. We're in the Skinny Dip store because I still don't have a phone case for my phone, and it gives me and everyone around me anxiety. Also can't wait to get copyrighted. Love that. I just got mugged off. I went into Skinny Dip, bought a phone case, saw the little stand of pop sockets. Now my mum's been banging on about how she wants a pop socket because like the little girl over the road has got one. So I'm like, oh yeah, cute pink sparkly pop socket. It's £16.50. It's actually cost more than my phone case. So Will felt really sorry for me that I literally spent over 16 quid on something I can get on Amazon for £2. It's also really like obnoxiously sparkly, so I don't even know if she'd like it. But I'm too much a wuss to go back into the store and try and return it, so he's gone himself. Does anyone else feel like they're babysitting sometimes when they spend a day with their boyfriend? He just runs off.
Tying your laces.
I think he wants to beat the world record for the fastest tying his laces. Me after 3 vodka shots and 2 Jaeger bombs. I've basically just eaten all of it, but this is a Biscoff, a banana cream donut. I can honestly say it's the best donut I've ever had. So apparently this is what sloths have evolved from, aka what I evolved from. Wow, is that a calamari? So we've just come into falafel shawarma. Camberwell, best place to eat in London. We've got to get the falafel wrap, the vegetable sambusak. So delicious. Oh my god. Oh wow.
Oh no. Got the paper.
So it's coming up to 11 and we're currently waiting for a bus. It takes us into Oxford Street or Piccadilly because I left my jacket at Piccadilly Institute last night and it's actually a really nice jacket and I wear it a lot, so it kind of is worth going back. I've had a nap. I haven't really done that much. You can kind of see in my face I've had a nap. It's also really funny because some guy from a band keeps trying to slide in my... Ooh, someone almost got run over. Just another casual day in Camberwell. Someone from a band keeps trying to slide into my DMs. Will's getting really triggered. Ooh, the police. Every time I see a police van, I always think I've done something wrong. I literally get scared to go into a McDonald's toilet when it says customers only. hardly going to break the rules, sweetheart. Just as I was about to vlog saying I wasn't feeling hopeful, we got the coat, honeys. Seeing as it's such a nice warm evening, we've decided to stay in Trafalgar Square a bit because William wanted to come here. Ooh. And we're looking at all the statues. Where is he? There he is. I win!